Hi, I'm Sheylee. I am from Entertainment Design Concept. I am a visual development artist for animation with a passion in world building. I like creating environments that will tell a story even without the characters being there. My favorite thing of the process is exploring different ideas of what the space could be and how the style will support the story. I love researching, brainstorming, and coming up with fun concepts. For this class final project, I call it Mission Moon Station. The main things to discuss are about the architecture, space farming, and sustainability within this moon station. What could it look like if people were to live on the moon? The moon station could be the first permanent way of inhabiting space through top-edge architecture, technology, and space farming. My purpose with this project is to inspire and open people's mind to new ideas about inhabiting the moon. I would use my abilities as a visual development artist to illustrate my idea of how humans could build a permanent base on the moon that could include architecture and space farming. According to the Institute of Physics, there's many reasons why it will be important to build a base on the moon. And that is because it could be really useful for future Mars missions, research, and even just space tourism. It is known that it is possible to create oxygen since the soil in the moon is 42% oxygen. Water is harder to find in the moon, but NASA discovered in 2018 that there is water in the moon in the form of ice. Then, after having oxygen and water, growing plants is the next and crucial point for the sustainability of the people in the station. Several researches are being conducted regarding space farming. NASA has launched several experiments such as Project Veggie, a vegetable production system that is a plant growth unit in the International Space Station. There's also the Advanced Plant Habitat, which are special enclosed chambers to grow the plants. Aside from getting inspiration from real projects, I got inspired from other concept artists in the science fiction movies, such as Sid Mead, who is well known for the Blade Runner, and Ralph McQuarrie, who's well known for Star Wars concept art. They both have explored different ideas of what cities in space could be like. My inspiration also grew since taking this class and reading all the resources provided. I really wanted to imagine a world where there could be a base on the moon. I made a design sketch of what I imagined the base could be like. There's a small demo video I did from building the moon station in 3D. My idea of the station is to make it look like a futuristic city. It was inspired by brutalist architecture, which uses a lot of simple and large shapes. Since the moon has no atmosphere, each building would have their own Earth-like mechanisms to provide the people with oxygen. This area would be more like a research facility, so I wanted them to look like office buildings connected by see-through bridges. The cube shapes will be the different plant mechanism compartments that would store the oxygen produced. People would need to use space vehicles to travel through the facilities. Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoyed my presentation, and I hope you were able to visualize my take on a permanent base on the moon. There have been plans and attempts to accomplish this in the future, but it is always rewarding to be able to imagine it before it even happens, which is the beauty of concept design and visual development.